Good morning, guys. How are you? It's Trader111 speaking. Welcome to my new gold analysis for the 13th of December. And as usually, I start to analyze the market from the monthly time frame to the lower time frame to have the best look on the chart from the like birds fly. I start with mark the most important zones as usually. So we have some these zones. It's very important. So we have the last 80H, the very strong resistance, which the price has tried to break 3 times and was failed. And um, after four testing, the price has break out of this resistance and dumped to the current 1980 uh, level. So it was, I think it was a fake breakout, stop hunt to take the stop losses from the buyers, and also this trend is still bullish. We have trend, for example, trend line here, then we have a trend line from here to here, so we can see that we are still in the bullish trend. Now we can wait to price will go down, maybe to retest this last support area to bounce from the trend line again. And also we can see that we have the very bearish candle with big wick, so this is the rejection from this area, but we have still like half of the month to making and formatting this candle, so we need to wait and see what is going on in the next weeks. So in the weekly time frame we can also mark the trend line. We are in the uptrend, so we have the price has uh, touched almost touched this last 80H level and has come back to this 1820 support, and it was like a three leg extension. So it was like the impulse correction, and we had another impulse, but on this level the price has dumped and is dumping still. So I will mark more important zones for you guys. So this is the last higher high close 1935. Sorry, it's not that, it's the higher low. This is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the last higher low closed 1933. I recommend you guys always set the important support and demand zones, because this is giving you the clear situation on the market. So this is the last 80H 2076. Every broker has a little bit different look on the chart, so these numbers can be different, but not so much. And this is the current 80H 2149. It's 49 because this is not touched the week. Okay, 49. Okay, perfect, guys. Look, so what we can tell now, we have the last week, this candle, it's very bearish because we have a big body of the candle and we have a long wick. So this is telling us that the pressure from the sellers was very big, and the price has break of the last resistance. So the last higher high was break. Now the best is to wait for the retest and make the and continuing the falling to this last support. But we don't know, maybe the seller's pressure is gonna be so big that we can see the very bearish candle until the end of this week, and the retest is not gonna be done. So now we can go to the lower time frame. It's the 1 day. What we can see now. So I will now I will looking for another support and demand, support and resistance zones to check where the price can go and bounce. So this is very important zones. As you can see, this is the support, this is the resistance, this is the resistance, this is the support. Look how perfectly the price has kept this level as the support and the resistance here and here, and we can see that the price is balancing now on this level. So if the price will keep this level as the support, we can see and we will see the next bounce. We can looking for the buys to the last break of structure, so the break of the resistance and the supports zone. But if we will see the breaking and the keeping this zone as the resistance, we can looking for sells to the last support zone. So the last support, it's looking on that, but I think it's a little bit higher because here we have a nice support we have a wick here, we have price has closed under this level. We can see also that here we have support, the resistance, we have the resistance, the price has close below this level. So this is the next one, and the next one lower, it's gonna be here. Look on this, guys, support, support, we have support, support here. So this is very good level, and look on that, perfect. Okay, so now we can go to the 4-hour time frame. What we can see now, guys, here, I will now mark the zones because it's giving us a better quality of the chart. Okay, so we have here also the level. This is making that the chart is more clean, you know, you are see more of important data. Look on that, perfect resistance, it was the fake breakout. Look on that. Okay, so this situation, we can see that yesterday after the news, the price has break of this support and immediately came back to this area between 1991 1992, and the price hasn't able the price wasn't able to break of this resistance zone and close uh, below this zone and came back to this support. And we could see also that the price has break of this support level, keep it, and now is keeping this level as the resistance. But here also we can see that the last candle on the 4-hour time, it's like very bullish. So we need to wait what the price is gonna be doing. And of course we have today the very important data. My time is the Middle Europe time. So this time, it's, I will check the time for the Miami. Okay, it's gonna be here minus Eastern time. Yeah, so today we have data, we have a PPI, and but the time is not changing. I will change the time for you guys. EMPM, EMPM, save settings. Okay, so on the Miami time, we have data 7:30 a.m. We have a CPI, and we also have sorry, not CPI. We have a PPI at 7:30 a.m. and we have a form statement around 1 p.m. So this is very important data, and be careful, be cautious on this time, and be aware, be out of the trading in this time, please, guys. So now we can see that we are under this last resistance level, and now we have a couple of scenario. So if this price will keep this price as the support, so we will see that the price will break of this support resistance and retest. We can looking for a sell. We can looking for a buy to this last resistance zone. It's gonna be 1992. So this is the first scenario, the long. The stop loss should be around here is 38 pips. We have maybe a little bit more, like 50 pips. It's still giving us 2.4 reward risk ratio. So this is the first setup, and the second setup is gonna be from here we can take the sell to this last support level. So this is giving us around 2.5. We can put a little bit more. It's almost 3, 1 to 3 reward risk ratio. So this is the setups for today, and I hope it's be very profitable for you. And thank you for the watching my videos, and see you in the next video.